Firefighting in Canada this week is brought to you by VFIS of Canada, a division of CVIS Incorporated, Canada's largest insurer of firefighters. In this week's episode, the Ontario government is investing in a specialized mental health support program designed for first responders. Then, Hamilton Fire Department raised the risk level for residential fires to high in their most recent community risk assessment. And the Ottawa Fire Department released a unique calendar commemorating a once-in-a-lifetime call. The Government of Ontario is investing $32 million into a specialized mental health support program designed for first responders and public safety personnel. The Mental Health Supports for Public Safety Personnel program will include a web portal for users to access core services, a 24/7 call line, and more. In addition, the initiative will support the creation of an anti-stigma strategy designed to remove stigmas surrounding asking for help, with the goal of creating work environments where people feel confident to seek mental health support. Warrior Health was selected as the vendor to design and deliver these services after what the province called a rigorous selection process. Hamilton Fire Department Chief Dave Cunliffe recently submitted a community risk assessment to Council classifying the Ontario City as being at a high risk for residential fires. The change in the risk profile elevates single detached homes, multi-unit residential buildings, and semi-detached homes to the higher risk level. In 2023, there were 228 residential fires in the city, 90 of which occurred in multi-unit residential buildings. This number is up from 84 fires in 2022, marking a 7% increase. Cunliffe said in a presentation to City Council that in just over half of the residential fires the department responded to, the building did not have working smoke alarms. Ottawa Fire Department has created a unique 2025 department calendar commemorating a once-in-a-lifetime call. On October 28, 2023, after a transformer caught fire at the Ottawa Hospital the day prior, firefighters and hospital staff collaborated to move 17 neonatal babies one at a time out of the NICU, down 8 flights of stairs, and into the waiting arms of staff from the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario. 8 months later, firefighters had the opportunity to reunite with the families and children in a photo shoot for a fire department calendar, with proceeds going towards the Ottawa Neonatal Intensive Care Unit and the Ottawa First Responders Foundation. Brendan White, one of the responding firefighters, said the photo shoot gave him the unique opportunity to see the impact of the department's work.
Firefighting is so often we go to a call, we deal with the scene, it gets handed over to somebody else, and that's it. You stop the bad things from getting worse, you get people out of tight situations, and then you get back on the truck and you go back to work. At this call, it was cool to meet James and his parents afterwards, and just that whole kind of closure and seeing how your part of the story is a cog in the wheel of someone's bigger story really just hit home for me.
To purchase a copy of the calendar, visit ottawafrf.ca. Thanks again to VFIS of Canada, a division of CVIS Incorporated, Canada's largest insurer of firefighters. Stay tuned for our next episode on Friday, December 6th.